Today we're looking at a Suzuki DF 150 crankshaft. Right now I'm showing you the bearing surfaces, how clean they are. This is a good to use crankshaft, okay? This is the front of the crankshaft, and then this is the rear side of it, okay? And then now we're getting to your bearing sizes, okay? Here's a closer look for you. And if you want to know what year it is, now open up a browser and go to dobsonparts.com and start typing in the model number you need for this crankshaft. Once you type it in, you hit enter if you don't see it popping up on your screen. If we have it, once you hit enter, you should see at the bottom of the page, you scroll down, the fitment. And it shows that it fits 2006 through 2024 DF 150 and 175. Thank you. Have a nice day.